Sweet. So Ryan wants a new oil tank tab for some reason. I know this one fell off. So he did a nice mark of where he wanted the holes to be. Supposedly there's one right there. So I take a 5/16 washer and I equally space it out. And I put a hole right there. I don't care where the original hole was. Now you gotta find a hard spot on your table. That'd be right here, because that's where the leg is. So when you beat on it, it's hard. Because I don't want to beat on my mill or my drill press, if I can avoid it. And you give it a little nick right there, because that looks good. Like that
Style.
It's not quite where you had yours, though.
Style.
That's how you use a nice, swift, hard hit.
Yeah. Hammers make me nervous.
And you have to actually let them know who's boss, or they don't work. I'm going to drill press over here. Previously set up. Okay, got a center drill.
Is it one of those?
There used to be one in here somewhere. I'm thinking it's still kind of got one right there, but
Maybe a quarter of one.
probably seen better days. But
That'll work for this application.
yeah, now we need to go up higher. So we have a little wood spacer.
Did you need that?
Yes. The device doesn't make it even.
That's a good trick.
If I put a spacer between there, it would stay there better, but that'd be too easy. So we don't want to do that. Right in the spot. So.
Do I need to hold it? Nope.
Might be warm. Only if you touch it on the hot spot.
Yeah.
Okay, where's your 5/16 drill?
Maybe it's right here. Nope, that's not. Maybe it's over there.
Maybe. The size of that?
Probably large enough.
No.
It's too small.
Could be.
Excuse me. Bless you. That's a drill press.
Oh, that's 10 thou too small. Big one. Ooh, that one's way bigger. How about this one?
That might work.
That one's even bigger. That's 5 thou bigger than the other one.
So if the hole's too big, then it could vibrate and break again, huh?
No.
No?
It would make it too easy for you to put together.
Oh, don't want to do that. It's a fairly large hole there.
This is big. That's bigger. So it's safe to say we're not going to be too big for you. Where's your trash can?
Right here.
Good. Bring it over this way. Trash, see?
What's this?
Take your head gasket.
Oh,
Want to reuse it?
not that one. Not that cheap anymore.
You got that cheap? What if you had to?
If that was the only one left, I'd go for it. Is that a deburring?
Yeah, but there's a lot of burrs right there. That's in the way.
What tool does that Is that for putting a chamfer?
Yep. Deburring.
Oh.
We deburr around here. Okay.
Now I have to go cut it up.
Look at that. It's almost identical to what you had.
Mm-hmm.
Except smaller. More precision.
So we won't need a washer welded to this thing like this guy, huh?
Yeah. It's about the same. I think mine's about the same thickness as the washer.
Yeah.
So you got to grind the back corner, that corner there, and then we have to cut this off.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to figure out how to cut something.
I'm pretty good at cutting things.
Oh. Yeah, but we want to make sure it's long enough to be this when we're done, not over here. Over here would be worse.
Yeah.
So go ahead and radius those off, and then we'll see how we're going to cut it.
Okay.
I might be able to do that for you a little easier than you're going to do it.
I'll try it.
Alright, so Ryan figured out how to grind the ears off on there. It's almost even. So let's see, that looks like you use that side over there.
I did.
You can tell by the grit on there. So now I'm going to smooth it up a little bit.
Oh wow. Factory finish.
And deburred too.
Dang. That's nice.
Still hot though.
Yep.
You got thirsty? Alright. So now we need to determine how we're going to cut this.
Chop it. It's right there on the table.
I think we're still kind of in that same general area, give or take a little bit.
Better to be too long than too short.
I don't know, I didn't put it in the bike. Appears to be the same guy who made this one too.
Yep. I bet they both broke at the same time.
Okay, now you can see what you really need.
That's smart. Do these things break a lot?
Yep.
Looks like it's been repaired here too.
Yes, they have been. So I'm not sure where the ears are supposed to be. I thought the ears stuck straight out like this originally. But they're a lot fatter though, you can see.
Well, it fit the way it was on there.
So the hole should be generally in about that area there. So I'm thinking we're going to need something at more of an angle. So I'm going to guess it's going to be more like this.
And then just flipping it over will be proper.
Yeah, that'll put it right on top of that one. If you put it in front of it, it'll be a little bit longer. So if I cut the line away, I know we're in the right spot.
Oh, I've never seen you use this one yet.
Handsaw?
It goes in here like this, but you still can't cut it how you need to be because we want to do an angle now.
Oh.
So you got to cut it like over here.
And then just grind that away.
Yep. You need something to support that side of the vise over there, so I need another piece of something about the same size.
You got this fancy schmancy water bottle.
That's in case I get thirsty.
Yeah. Your one drink a day.
Got some iron in my system. I hear aluminum's good too, so I got a mix.
Okay.
Custom brew.
Some minerals.
Mineral spirit water. Okay, why don't you go over there and pour and grab me another piece of this metal.
In your pile?
Yep.
You have a preference in size?
Same one I got here.
Can I see it?
Then 1 inch.
Okay. Like this?
Looks like it'll work.
I grabbed the right one for once.
Yeah, you look at it every now and then.
What does this date mean? November 7th, 1978. Is that when it was made?
That'd be the date that Dad bought this machine.
Ah.
So this is going up too high. I can't cut it this way. Alright, that's not going to work very well. It's not thick enough.
So we're gonna use the hand grinder, huh?
Now let's do the hard way.
Hacksaw.
Oh, I'm not going to be that hard. It's less accurate this way though.
Using this one?
Yep.
Oh, I can do that.
Can you do this?
Yeah,
Like
I'm
that?
pretty good at that. Wow. Is that hot?
I wouldn't put it on my tongue.
You don't cool them off like that?
What do you think? Is that hot?
I didn't hear it sizzle, but it is smoking a little.
That means it's only 150 degrees and not 225. Okay, so there's our mark. What was it, that mark there? I forget.
Yeah, I bet.
Feel it. All right. I'm gonna blow that off.
Huh?
Gonna blow that off.
Okay.
Oh, they're looking good. Oh, that, you're talking spark plug wires? Yeah, they're looking good.
You two and him two. That goes for both you guys. So what am I looking at? I don't know what I'm looking at.
It's not looking as good as you are.
Let's go look over there.
Okay. Seems about right.
Except I made it this way.
Oh.
Might have to fine tune this a little bit.
What?
The angle and location, we need to know what the length is, the width between the frame rail is over there. Switch your hole pattern there, boss.
Ah, I'm not understanding the question. There's two holes.
Yeah, there's a different pattern. Distance between these. Let's see, this one looks like it needs to be grounded this side a little bit more, maybe.
On the corner side?
Yeah, so it has to sit flush, which it isn't right now because that sticks up. So we have to notch this a little bit more here and make it go down this way, and this will be back here like that. So you have to notch it. You have to measure between here and here and see if it matches the frame, because this needs to fit on that when we're done, alright?
We need a ruler.
So we need to go look at it. So more likely this needs to be cut more like this, which means I've got to cut a lot of this away. And you can almost see there's a mark right there. It looks like it was missed about a little bit. That's way over here is where it needs to be. That way it'll clear that and be the angle you want, see? So we need to get a measurement from here to here over there. See what you got. So where's your ruling device?
Probably in your stash.
Alright, go measure the frame.